Okay, this is the startup. This is the compressor startup of my 1965 Fetters weather wheel. The compressor is a Tecumseh AJM 1594. Here we go. We're gonna start it up in 3, 2, 1. Music to the ears. Alright, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Sound of a Tecumseh AJ reciprocating compressor. I know a lot of you are huge fans of that compressor series, the Tecumseh AJ. So I thought I'd do this video just for that, guys. Just for those of you who are huge fans of the Tecumseh AJ reciprocating compressor. Obviously, I'm a huge fan. You know, so actually, before I close this out, guys, before you end the video, I'm going to show you the nameplate on the compressor. That way you guys can get an idea just how big this thing is. Actually, guys, before I do, let me show you the side of it. Just look at this. This thing is a monster, guys. Check that out. It's got to be the largest Tecumseh AJM in the 115 volt option available. Look at that. That is got a huge motor. It's got to be at least 1 horsepower. So it's crazy, guys. Just the purebred power they got in these things. Here, I'll crank it for you just once more. So I'm not going to get full speed. I'm going to crank it so you guys can hear it. Oh, whoops. Look at that, guys. I accidentally hit the off button. Alright, guys. Now let's crank it. Here, I'm going to get you guys close so you can really hear it. Okay. There you guys have it. That's the crank of the AJ. I'm going to call it the crank of the AJs. Now, guys, I don't recommend doing it. Only do it once in a great while if you just want to hear it go that. Yeah, you guys can do that only once in a while, okay? It's the first time I've actually ever done that, so... Anyway, let me show you guys the... Oh, yes, guys, I accidentally glued the knob. So I have to run it with my leaf blower in order to keep air moving across the condenser, so... Anyway, until I can get the fan motor, until I can rewind the fan motor. But anyway, let me show you how the buttons work. So yes, guys, it is 115 volts, so I'm just going to unplug it here. So, this is low cool, high cool, low fan, high fan, and then off. And then here's your thermostat right here. Got it to click. You have to really crank it. So, okay. Well, for Tecumseh AJ compressor fans, that's for you. Yes, guys, if you want to, you guys can choose a part of the video you want to loop, and you can just listen to the compressor like a sleep sound. So if you guys want to do that, that's more than okay with me. I have no problem with you guys using this video for sleep sounds. So you can just ignore me talking, just listen to the compressor and enjoy it. So let's show you guys the nameplate here. Get you guys some information on this monster. Here's our compressor nameplate. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to read that. So I'll stand it here, guys. Let me adjust my light real quick here. So here, I'm just gonna do this so you guys can get a better understanding of what this all means. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with the Fedor's weather wheel, it's a beautiful American air conditioner. So let me show you guys the nameplate here. There you go. So you guys can read that if you want. Alright. Now, yes, guys, this is a reciprocating compressor. So the difference between a reciprocating and a rotary compressor is this. The rotary compressor is right here. This one is obviously round. So, I mean, there's a rotor in the bottom. While the reciprocating compressor, on the other hand, has an oval shape to it, just like this. So this is a Tecumseh AJ reciprocating. So you guys can see it's got an oval shape to it. And what's different about this one, guys, is the piston is down in the bottom right here. So that's actually the discharge line goes out of the compressor. So anyway, and the nice thing is, guys, You know, my fetter still blows ice, guys. I did a temp check on it the day I got it, and it still got a full charge. It was all even throughout the evaporator. It was blowing in the stinking 20s. It was cooled the basement, cooled my basement right here from 76 to 52 degrees. It's the beauty about a weather wheel, guys. It's still going. I just got to rewind the fan motor and she'll be running like new. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that. And here's a look at, here's my fridge right there. It's my newest addition. So anyway, I hope you guys think that's cool, because I got nice cold water in there for when I need it. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. For those of you who are AJ compressor fans, this is for you. And I think tomorrow, guys, we might do now, before I say that, guys, so, I haven't ran it in over a week. So, anyway, I just figured I'd throw that in there just for fun and giggles. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed that sound of the Tecumseh AJ firing up. And we'll catch you guys in another video. Take care.